टुडे खुद ही बताएगा। टाइम फ्लाइट मैंने 7:30 7।
Lordship may recollect 98
You said
may
you'll come online.
but then I thought since the quite important, I'll be here.
Kind permission. 17th, last chance. Two reasons. On 17th.
Hey, yes.
This is why I requested. They are coming on 17th because two reasons.
This is
We are
in fact, Your Lordship may recollect, Supreme Court has
I have not
requested
forgotten anything.
Uh, Supreme Court has requested that this court dispose it of as expeditiously as possible, and they have given it now outer time frame also. It's been going on since 2018. 2021, they have been asked to file an
Yeah, first a
affidavit.
detailed order to get to know the facts. as well.
Exactly.
17th. Yajini Bartara will search some
No case at all.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
Prima.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್. ಅವರು 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಬೇಕಂತಾರಂದ್ರೆ their appointment their appointment was challenged before the.
How is that and what is that got to do with the issue that is projected?
ಅಲ್ಲ even they will not get ownership.
Priest
even
may-
even
I mean-
worse.
Priest may be anybody.
Yes.
A different thing. Whether the priest has criminal cases, whether the priest is this. How are you wanting to take over this temple?
But ownership, how can they claim the ownership?
He'll argue. Let him
When
argue.
the
but I'll
when the
rejoin.
temple situated in the government land, how can they claim the ownership? So that is when last chance. I request this honorable court have it on 17th. We'll searching some documents also. There is somewhere.
Without documents, you initiate.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮತ್ತೇನ್ರ that in the opinion of the state that sufficient, that document is sufficient. Still more document we have taken endeavor to any other material is
Well,
available.
normally we don't oppose at all, but this has been going on every time. And the last occasion, this date was accommodated.
Yeah, the last chance, but
on their request.
I will personally assure
It
this.
should not be later that the advocate general was not heard. So
I understand, my lords.
Yeah, the last chance, I will personally assure
Precisely
this.
why I asked you can come online.
Beyond the point, I can't, my lords. It's your lordship discretion. I just thought that I would.
17th will take it.
Please,
No more adjournment.
No, I personally
Lordship
assure
may
this
make it in the
honorable
order.
I'll do it.
I will personally assure this court. Otherwise, I will go with
No,
you.
no, Gangadhar says he will.
Please,
do this. 17th is Monday.
My lords, can it be on Wednesday, my lords?
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು
19th.
19th.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು at 2:30. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
19th at 2:30. Very well.
Heard the learned senior counsel Suresh appearing for the petitioner. The learned additional advocate general Gangadhar seeks time to 19th on the score that the advocate general would be appearing and making his submissions.
Please.
In the light of, in that light, list the matter on 19th,
At 2:30.
2:30 p.m.
Very well.
Please.
You can be
Yes.
appear online or here.
But this is something, my lords, close to everybody's heart, this matter. So we would rather be here, my lords. That and an endeavor would be always that way. And
Absolutely.
so it's we take it's a gentleman's agreement between us that it
No, no,
will
he
be there
will-
on 19th.
No, particularly when he says
Absolutely. Okay.
I will.
Very
he
obliged.
will abide by it.
Very well. Deeply obliged.
Please. Yes.
The lordship kind permission. First matter.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಬರ್ರಿ ವಾಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹಾಂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
Road, your lordship. Bad conditions, so we
ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ 2:30 ಮುಗಿಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು
Dharwad matter.
ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್
With your lordship's kind permission, my sincere apologies for moving a memo now. Cooperative society
Memo?
election matter. May I take it on Monday, lordship, for declaration of results?
ಮಂಡೇ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್
No, lordship, on Monday, lordship, for declaration.
announcement
My lord,
ರಘುವನ್ ಸರ್
my lord,
ಹಾಂ
I am told, my lord, in fact, I was given to understand the file had not come.
ಫೈಲ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
That that matter that your lordships.
No, it is. Well, there is some transit glitch.
Yes, my lord, I understand that, my lord. In fact, I
So,
wanted to come here personally today, my lord, but then it was not listed, so we cancelled our trip.
All right, sir. When do you come here then? 7th,
My lord,
6th, 7th.
7th, my lord. Friday, my lord.
Weather is better than Bangalore.
7th. Very well, madam. I'll be there personally on 7th.
2:30?
Why not?
7th at 2:30?
Very well, I'll be there.
Yes.
I'll
By
be there.
then we'll see to that the files have come. You
Very well.
don't have to worry about it.
Very well. Very well. Great.
Or petitioner council ilva? Petitioner council ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ? Nobody is there. Yes. The list
We will
matter.
inform them.
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
We will inform them.
We'll take it on 7th. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sachin
Yes,
Puvaya
yes.
is there.
All right, 7th.
I'll inform them.
He's there.
Kind leave. May I make one submit mention, madam?
Puvaya sir.
My lords, I'm sorry, my lords. I'm connecting late because I didn't have notice of this mentioning. My apologies.
No problem. Notice of mentioning ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ because files have not come ante.
I understand.
I'll take it on 7th.
Very well, my lords.
I was just telling Raghavan sir.
Yes, please.
Dharwad weather is better than Bangalore. You can come now.
My lords, I have to come all the way from Delhi, my lords, but I will do my.
In fact, my lord, if that is the reason, my lord, I think my learned friend, Mr. Sachin Puvaya, has better reason to come to Dharwad. Delhi is not breathable at all.
Okay.
Correct.
I will come.
Hey, you can't deny, sir. Raghavan sir has come from Manhattan.
My lord, Manhattan AQI is 10, my lord.
Maybe on Friday he should go back to Manhattan and argue this matter, my lords.
And
Yes,
Delhi
sir.
is 500.
Grateful.
Yes, sir.
Grateful.
We'll have it on 7th. Yes.
Please.
Lordship's kind leave. May I make mention with regard to item number 23?
Kumar sir, ಹೇಳಿ.
Lordship, this pertaining to LOC and the criminal petition under section 4 from the Companies Act, may I request it to be taken on 27 physically in Bangalore, 27, 28? I have informed the senior counsel, Mr. Chowta sir.
All right. 27th.
My lord, we have 23.
Interim order the country. Serial number? Interim order the
23,
country.
man.
Yes, sir.
Lord, I appeal for the petitioner, my lord, in the matter, serial number 23.
Which matter?
Interim order may be extended, my lord.
Which matter?
Serial number 23, my lord.
Interim order will be extended, not to worry. Yes.
Much obliged.
Lords, with my lord's leave,
Right.
Lords, with my lord's leave, may I make a mention, my lords?
Which one, sir?
Lord, serial number 21, my lord. I appear for the respondent, my lords. This honorable court directed us to file status report.
21.
Please, my lords. Where this honorable court directed the CBI to investigate matters pertaining to the Valmiki Corporation scam.
Oh, this one. What has
Please.
happened?
Lords, the status report is ready, my lords. May I request to have it on 14th? We will physically come and produce it, my lords. In the meantime, we'll file objection.
So the pleading applicants have some urgency, I guess. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ inform ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Please, my lords, I have informed the other side already, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, no problem.
Pasha sir's office is informed.
Serial number 19, my lords.
Yes.
Serial number 19, my lords.
Wait. Madam, there are only a few matters. Wait. Yes.
Pronouncement of order serial number 1. K. Ravishankar.
Bitter pronouncement ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
Petition.
Where Ravishankar is there?
Please,
K. Ravishankar.
petitioner. I may appear
Allowed.
for the petition.
Wash.
Obliged. Obliged.
Dismissed. Interim order of any kind subsisting as on today shall stand dissolved.
Serial number 3. Vandana P.A.
I'm for the petitioner, my lords.
I'm for the respondent, Your Honor.
Allowed, the impugned order stands quashed. It is needless to observe the respondents would be at liberty to avail of such remedy as is available in law.
Grateful, my lords.
I'm for the respondent in this case.
Dismissed. Next.
Respondent. Much obliged.
Yes. Third. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೂರೇನಾ?
230 more leads. Serial number 1.
Nil.
Chandana.
Senior counsel.
ಈಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ತಾನೆ?
Chandana.
Kindly pass over, my lord. Arguing just went out.
One submission, my lordship. This is today moved matter, so it was already heard.
Which one? First one? Already heard.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir, fresh matter.
Fresh matter, sir.
Fresh matter. Next matter.
Serial number 2. Attorney.
ಇದು already heard.
ಇದು.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
I don't know, my lordship. I don't have the file also.
Of course, 230 pending matter move ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you're not obliged to get the file, but why is it moved even?
This honorable court fix one date. I am ready for on that date.
ಆಯ್ತು, pass over. We'll see. ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. Yes. 3 ನೋ ಅದೇನಾ? 3 ನೋ ಅದೇ. ಆಯ್ತು, pass over. 1 ಏನು? One.
Chandana.
You're in cell number 1, madam?
I think they called out.
Yes.
1 or 2? 2. Saurabh. Yes.
My lords, in this matter, the tender was called for the supply of foods to the hostel, and subsequently it was cancelled. Earlier, I was supplying the food items to the hostel, my lords. Now, due to the cancellation of this tender process, now I have to continue the supply of food because the in the work order, there is.
Why
an
is
order.
it cancelled, sir?
My lords, there is some technical.
Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
My lords, kindly.
No interim order. Copy ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Copy, sir. Sir. Copy, sir. My lords, the reason assigned for the cancellation is in page number 111, my lords.
111. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡಿ.
Yes, my lords. My lords. ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 1 ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 6 ಮತ್ತು 7ರಲ್ಲಿನ ಬಿಡ್ದಾರರು ಕೆಪಿಪಿ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಎಸ್ಎಂಇ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇಕಡ 15ರಷ್ಟು ದರ ವಿನಾಯಿತಿ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು my lords ಆನ್
pursuant to this tender work order issue ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ my lord.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಯ್ತು?
My lords, the work order was issued on.
ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕವರ್ ವಾಪಸ್.
10/9/2025 ವರ್ಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 10/9/2025ರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್.
ವೈ?
ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್.
ರೀಸನ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಹೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಫೈಲ್ ಓದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಎಂಎಸ್ಎಂಇ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀಸನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅನ್ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಡ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್.
The petitioner is before this court calling in question the action of the respondent in cancellation of tender. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he was awarded the contract on 10/9/2020.
My lords, we are not challenging the cancellation of the work order, my lords, because earlier we were the bidders, my lords. This subsequent tender, entire tender notification is cancelled. Earlier, since we are
work order ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
My lord, my work order was issued on 30/7/2022, my lords. 22, my lords.
30/7/2022. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು?
It is for initially for one year, or until further orders it was issued, my lords.
Now,
subsequently, after completion of 2 years, another tender notification was issued. And a work order was also issued to one of the successful bidder. Namge issue madilla. The entire process was cancelled on the objection filed by the unsuccessful tender. Subsequently, since I am continuing supplying the food to the.
How are you continuing? Oh, ಅದು cancel ಆಯ್ತು.
Until further orders ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I have been continuing.
ಈಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ my lords, ಅವರು they have issued indent to the successful bidder whose work order has been cancelled.
ವರ್ಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಯಾವಾಗ?
ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್.
ಟೆಂಡರೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು.
ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಇಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 114 ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಗ? You are neither a participant in the earlier tender, nor you are a successful bidder here. How can you challenge?
Since we have been supplying food.
How are you supplying?
By virtue of the earlier order, my lord. By virtue of the order dated 37/2022.
For 1 year only they have been allotted, Your Lordship, not further. It's,
They heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. The issue in the list pertains to supply of food, a contract for supply of food grains. The petitioner, pursuant to the tender, emerges successful on 30/2/2022.
37, my lord.
37/2022, who is awarded a contract for supply of food grains. It went on for a period of 2 years. A tender was called in which the petitioner did not come out successful, but another successful tenderer was awarded the contract. The entire tender itself comes to be cancelled. Thereby, the award of contract to the said successful tenderer also comes to be cancelled. The grievance now is that the tender indent is now drawn in favor of the person whose work order and the tender had been cancelled, and therefore taking away the supply that is now being done by the petitioner. In that light, the supply of food grains by the petitioner shall not be stopped till the next date of hearing. List the matter on Wednesday in fresh matters. The learned HCGP would, on the periphery, object to any kind of order as contending that it was only for a period of 1 year that these petitioners were awarded the contract, and would not mean that supply can be done for all time to come. However, she would seek time to secure instructions and make submissions. List the matter on Wednesday.
please, Your Lordship.
My lords.
Srinath Kulkarni, Sharad Maktoum.
Hand delivery there. Because on Monday they are issuing the order tomorrow, my lords. Much of
Hand delivery.
Please.
Madam, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು?
Your Lordship, the difficulty, urgency is this, Your Lordship. KSFC loan repayment, Your Lordship. 3 rounds, they had already supposedly attempted to sell the secured property, that is the factory premises, and now they want to go as against the personal assets of the directors, their homes, all of that. Your Lordship, very briefly in this, what has happened is 3 attempts, they undervalue it and claim that they have not been able to sell it by way of auction. They have themselves valued the property at 28 crores. Now they're claiming that at 17 crores also they're not able to sell, and therefore coming after our personal properties. Lordship, at this point of time, I just want to pass on, Your Lordship. This matter has already gone through the High Court on 2 rounds earlier, where the Honorable High Court, in fact.
Copy code. Anup Deshpande has not come with the file because it's a pending matter. 2:30 move matter there.
Your Lordship, what has happened now is, earlier we were asked to deposit 2.5 crores before the Honorable High Court. Honorable High Court accepts our 2.5 crores. Then they tell, no, we will try to work out an OTS. Matter is disposed of. Again, Your Lordship, again they come up with attachment. We again come before the Lordships. Single bench did not grant us an order. Urgency is that they're going to go after our personal assets, Your Lordship. Which is what we want protection.
We'll take it on Monday.
Please, Your Lordship, I won't even insist. I am told that they are again saying, no, we'll try an OTS. Your Lordship, the principal amount was about 13 crores. What has already been paid is about 8.5 crores on principal. Balance about 4.5 crores on principal. Over and above that, Your Lordship may record that we will pay over and above that 10 crores, that is 4.5 or so, with as just about as interest, and close it as a one time. If they're able to convey that to the.
I'll record it. Let him
please,
convey it.
Please. If not, Your Lordship, then we will argue on the main matter.
Directional, I will record Madam's submission.
Please.
And whatever instructions
they have, otherwise we'll argue on the main matter whether it's permissible for them to attach. Please.
The learned senior counsel, Srimati Lakshmi Iyengar, appearing for the petitioner. The learned counsel Anup Deshpande submits that the matter is moved, and the pending matter is moved and therefore he does not have instructions. The learned senior counsel projects the urgency in the matter for moving it, as the KSFC is now
Attempting to,
attempting to hunt down the properties of the petitioner, personal assets of the petitioner. The outstanding amount, according to the learned senior counsel, is 13
on the principle of 13 point, we have paid.
Principal is 13.8 crores.
13.5 crores.
13.5 crores, and what is already
Paid is 8.5 crores.
8.5 crores, and the petitioners and the petition on instructions would submit that the petitioners are ready and willing to pay 10 crores.
10 crores as interest and 5 crores as the principal.
10 crore as interest and 5 crores as the principal amount.
Balance principal amount.
Balance principal amount to give a quietus or close the entire transaction with the corporation. The learned counsel Anup Deshpande, to secure instructions on the issue and make his submissions, will take it on 6th or 7th? 7th.
December.
Just on 7th in preliminary hearing.
Your Lordship,
Alivargen Madala.
I will not. A week after that, Your Lordship, I'm told there for them, they need to get instructions from the top. I'm sure within a week they will not.
List the matter on 17th.
Please, Your Lordship, please.
17th.
Obliged.
Madam?
Your Lordship.
Both
the same, both directors, Your Lordship, on their personal assets.
Same order, electoral same order.
Apologies for moving it.
No, and again, our file illa. It's 2:30 move matter, pending matter. I thought it was a fresh matter. That's all. Yes.
Matter pertains to principal bench, serial number 1, Raghavendra K.
Milord, for the respondent number 2, Milord, this was...
One moment. Adu dictation itala. Serial number 12, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾರಿದು?
Raghvendra. I appear for the petitioner in this matter, my lord.
Matter where we had moved an application, my lord, being spoken to was only to make those changes, my lord.
This one, we'll post it on 27th. Yes.
My lord, no, just one submission here, my lord. The issue is this: they have not complied with the order, my lord. The cutoff date which my lords had fixed was 24/10/2025. I did not comply agilla, so the amount is still not paid today, and
we have already deposited before the court, my lord.
This is sir. Yavag madid sir. Sorry.
Before that order could be before.
List on 27th November. Yes.
Milord, just one submission, Milord, 1.75 crores, Milord, because that is already there in the registry. That time may be permitted to withdraw, Milord, because
no, certainly, Milord, we have objections for that, Milord.
Why? Because if you deposit the amount, I don't understand.
List on 27th. Yes. Next.
Milord, the 1.75 is permitted to withdraw, Milord.
I avate marana. Bere ella barli. Next.
Number 2,
yes, Milord, let me give details as to when he's deposited, because my intimation is that it's not been deposited. At least when it's deposited, let him tell me. I can at least.
Yes, Raghavendra, when do you comply with the order?
My lord, the earlier order, my lord, was total 34 crores I have deposited. My lord, in the additional. Long back the additional, my lord, what my lord friend Mr. Siddharth is speaking about, that order additional interest of that amount, that are not deposited, that it has to be deposited. I believe, Lord, I believe that he is speaking about that additional interest that my lordship has
yes.
directed to deposit in the final. That I have not deposited so far, Lord.
That is my submission.
Yes, Raghavendra.
I will do it, Lord. I'll take instructions.
Appearing.
If my lord would kindly see my lord's order, it says that yes, it will be restored, because if he does not comply with it in 12 weeks, 12 weeks got over at 24th.
Counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the order is not complied with by depositing the interest that was directed to be deposited by this.
Additional interest, Lord.
The additional interest. The learned counsel for the petitioner Raghavendra K submits that efforts are being made, and by the next date of hearing, the same would be deposited before the court.
No, Lord, I'm not undertaking it, Lord. We are contemplating it to challenge before the Supreme Court, Lord. This is a matter.
Fine. Then that's the case, because there is no state any court, Lord, as of now. It may be restored, my lord.
This court, in terms of the order dated so and so, disposed these petitions by directing, by issuing certain directions.
Yes.
This court had permitted the respondents, the petitioners, to comply with the directions on or before 24/10/2025. The date is long over. Therefore, in the light of the observation that the criminal proceedings would stand revived in the event they would not be deposited, would ensue. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners are contemplating of challenging the subject order. They challenging the order passed in these petitions. Be that as it may, in the event the same would not stand complied by the 17th of October 2025, the direction of revival of the cases would ensue. Yes, list on 17th at 2:30 p.m. Next.
Please, my lord, till then, my lord, 1.75 I may be permitted to withdraw, my lord, because the 1.75 is lying there.
I have serious objections in so far as that aspect is concerned, ma'am.
Because my lord,
17.
please.
17.
Serial number 2, Sunil Kumar.
I appeal for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, there's an interim order operating. There's interim order operating, my lord.
1 minute. If it's operating, we will vacate it.
My lord, may I have it on 14th?
It is not operating, so it will not be vacated. Yes. List the matter on 27th. Next.
Interim order may continue.
Idre extend agate, illare illa. Illde idre adu extend agate. Yes.
Serial number 3.
In the connected matter, my lord, lordship granted the interim stay against the charge sheet.
Connected andre unconnected.
Criminal petition number 987 of 2025.
406/420. Maintainability overruled. List the matter on 27th.
Charge sheet. Stay may be
interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Put agate.
Serial number 4, Sunil Kumar.
My lords, it's the same matter which is connected to serial number 2, my lords. May I have it on 14th, my lord?
Yes.
Grateful.
There's an interim order.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent, interim order shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Serial number 6. Same.
Latif. So 6 है.
7.
Post immediately so. 7 Latif.
7 Latif.
Put it. Twenty-seventh. 1 additional SPP, 2 emergent notice returnable by 27.
This matter, Lordship, I already served the copy. 8/9/25, I served the copy to the Praveen, my Lordship, as your Lordship earlier directed me to serve the copy. This is my Lordship. In subsequent order, your Lordship directed Panchayat is approved his plan. Based on that, your Lordship allowed the writ petition. Now, Annexer A, my Lordship, kindly see. The Panchayat is no right to give approval. That is, my Lordship, I placed the record in review petition.
Barley, yes. List the matter on 7th. Yes. File
that API's objection is copy is served.
7th is next.
Serial number 9, Krishnamurthy.
Criminal appeal. Criminal appeal. 27th. Yes.
Serial number 10.
My lord, I appear for the petitioner in this case, my lord.
My lord,
Yes, sir.
we have been virtually separated for more than 2-3 years. Nevertheless, she files a petition under Section 9 for restitution of conjugal rights. After 1 year, she takes a coercive step to file DV Act. Another after 4 months, she files 498. She and we are not there. On the last occasion, they produced some document wherein the medical certificate is also manipulated, my lord. At page, your lordship had observed it at page 51 of what they have produced. My lord, here the widow mother and myself were sandwiched. Initially, 10 persons were arraigned in the affair. When the charge sheet, yes.
What sandwich?
My lord, allegations made without any specific date. I was just trying to rely. My lord's order also just passed in. C.B. Prakash and Justice Nagratna's order also latest in 25, my lord, where they have taken carrot and stick policy, my lord. On one side, she wants the Section 9 to be allowed. My counterclaim is for divorce. But therefore, I have sought for quashing the proceedings, my lord. I fail to understand why, after 1.5 years, when we are totally separated, she is venturing to file 498. There has been no communication, nothing of that kind.
ಈಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಏನು?
ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನು
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವತ್ತು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ
31/8/2023 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವತ್ತು ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿನಾನು ನನಗೆ ಡೌರಿ ಕೊಡು ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ರಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಸಂಜೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ 4-5 ಸಲ ಪಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮುಂದೆನೆ. ನಾನು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನಾವು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅದ್ರ 323 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬರೀ 323
498 504 ಮತ್ತೆ 304 ಆಫ್ ಡೌರಿ ಪ್ರೊಹಿಬಿಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅದು 31. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೂಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು 11ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು. 10 ದಿನ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನನಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋ ಕಾರಣ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಗರ್ಭಕೋಶ ಎಲ್ಲ ಊದಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವರು ಡೌರಿ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಬೈಕು, ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಬೈಕು, ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೈಟು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರೇನೆ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗ್ ಬಾ ಅಂತ.
ಕಂಡೀಷನ್?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಗು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಮಗುಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2.5 ತಿಂಗಳು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಇದೀವಿ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಪಾಸ್ ಕೇಸ್
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಶೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಹೇಳಿ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ನನ್ನ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ MLC
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು? ಡಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕಾಂಜುಗಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ 23, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು? ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಒಬ್ಬರೇನೆ ಇರೋದು?
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ 12 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 and 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್.
ಮದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಮದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಹರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ನೀನ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡು, ಮನೆ ಒಳಗ್ ಬಾ.
ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಹರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೋನ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಏನ್ ಮದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಫುಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ಕಂಟಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಳೇದು ಆತರ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಹಳ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೊಡೆದಿ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಅಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್,
ಹೌದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್. ಇದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಾವು ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ 48 ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 48 ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಾಯ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದು ಹೌದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಟ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಹೌದು ಹೌದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್
ನೋಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್
ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಹಳ ಹರಾಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಾವು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮನೆಗ್ ಬಾ
ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕ
ನಾವು ಹೌದು ಮಗು ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮಗು ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಸೇರಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಫಾದರ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಗು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮದರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇದು ನಾನು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಈಗಿರೋ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆದೊಂದು
ನಿಮ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್.
ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ಇದು ಮಹಿಳಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ನಾವು ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇದು ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಇದು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10 ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವರು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಾನು 31ಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದು 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರೋದು, 5ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಹೋಗಿರೋದು, 9ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಹೋಗಿರೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ 11ಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರೋದು. ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ FIR ಫೈಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಚಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್.
My lord, my great respect, my lord. This is so was the medical, and in fact they bet me in the police station and NCR is already registered. Thereafterwards I did not pursue. My lord, ನನ್ನ ಹೈಟ್ ಇರೋದು 5 feet. ನನಗೆ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡೇ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ನಂಬರ್ 1. ನಂಬರ್ 2, my lord, myself and widow mother, we are having a small holding.
ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹೈಟಿಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಬೈಕ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ. These are all creative story, my lord. I am only 5 feet height, and apart from that I am carrying on my agriculture activities. We have a very small holdings of coffee in Kodagu, and I am confined there. Why I should have a site in Bangalore? These are all creative stories, my lord. Great respect, I may say so. And she has gone to Netherlands, Ireland. She is out of country for several days. She is not taking care of the child. She has become a postgraduate student. She has taken up job. She has suppressed many things. She is on bail from Mysore because they trespassed and they ransacked my house and bet me, for which a criminal case they have filed 482 and stayed it. My lord, I did not gobble up all those things. On one side, today if you ask my learned friend, my lord, he may say, no, I am willing to send the lady today. My lord, on one side, Section 9. Other side, DV Act, 498, 384 Dowry Prohibition Act. These are all the onslaught I have been facing. My lord, I don't...
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೂನ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಎಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್.
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅದು ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದಿರ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹೌದು, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಅದು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದು ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌದು, ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ರೀಟೇಕ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10 ಜೊತೆ 48 ಡೇಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಕ್ತ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದು.
ಎಸ್
ಮಚ್ಚು
Cell number 11, Ganesha K.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. List on 28th. Next, November.
Cell number 12, Santosh BY.
I appear for petitioner in this matter, my lordship. There is an interim order, my lordship.
Oh yeah, all these cases interim order is there. What is it on?
Lord, sir, 498A proceedings, my lordship.
Husband?
Husband is petitioner number 1.
Husband
Mother-in-law
also.
Yes, my lordship.
4-page interim order. Yes. 28.
Extend. Maybe
Interim order.
extend.
Continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Great.
13,
For petitioner, my lord. So covered by my lord, 376 consent is there, my lord, from the
Covered by,
complainant. My lord, consensual sex. That's what I am saying.
376 yen covered.
My lord, consensual sex, my lord.
What do you mean?
The complainant and the petitioner travel so many places together.
Traveling so many places.
My lord, they came to contact in the school, my lord. The petitioner is the private. My lord, the petitioner is the government teacher, and the complainant is the guest teacher in that school. They came to contact and they became the friends. And after
Teacher
that,
and
my
teacher.
lord, my lord, guest teacher in the
Teacher
school
and
where the
teacher.
petitioner is.
New regular teacher or guest?
Please, my lord. They became the friends and they have consensually have the physical intercourse, my lord. So when they caught by the husband,
husband.
When they caught by the husband in the house of the complainant, when the petitioner went
Caught by the husband.
Please, my lord.
Adu agoyta.
When the husband, when the petitioner and the complainant were in the house of the complainant afternoon, so they were caught by the husband.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ನೀವು?
That's what, my lord, that in the one day the complainant called the petitioner to come to the house of the complainant.
All right.
And my lord, in the so they came to friends, my lord, and they went one place in the bike and they spent one day in the one place on one betta, on Malayana betta.
Sir, ನಿಲ್ಸಿ. ಏನು ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಏನು? All right. Yes. Who appears for respondent? ಎಷ್ಟನೇದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು? ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್. We will give 1 day's time. I'll take it on Monday.
Monday, my lord, Monday, next Tuesday or Wednesday, my lord.
Sorry, Monday, one day, badwa.
Monday, except Monday, any day may be called me.
List on 7th. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಬೆಟರ್. Yes, list on Monday. Sorry, 7th. 7th.
Seal number 14.
For petitioner, my lords.
Hmm.
Kindly seek Arjun.
Why are you laughing, sir? Nimdu adena?
No, my lords. Serial number 14, my lords.
Nimdu promise of marriage.
Illa, my lords. This is regarding 420, 408, and 120B, my lords.
All right. Yes.
Kindly seek a short accommodation, my lords.
Arm twist.
Interim
Rest
order
the
may be
matter on
extended.
28. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of it. Yes. Next.
Oblige, my lords.
Yes. Next.
60, yes, Rashikar.
Let's I appear for petitioner, my lords. And, I have the benefit of interim order, my lords.
Yes, Rashekar.
Yes, my lords. I have the benefit of interim order, my lords. This is with regard to non-taking, my lords, precautionary measures by the executive engineer.
Right. Dismiss ಮಾಡಬೇಕು next week ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes. This is the matter on 28th.
Interim order to
16.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
Yes, my lords. On that day, my lords, not today.
Which day, sir, ನೀವು?
Monday, Tuesday ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದೆ.
28.
Serial number 16.
My lord, appear for the petitioner in this case, my lord. My lord, this is that double B report, my lord.
This is the double B report.
No, my lord, your lordship use the same words, my lord, while granting stay.
Oh, okay. Yes, yes. B report not 1 but 2.
Please, yes, my lord.
28th IO. Next.
Grateful.
Number 17, Kashinath.
Hearing for petition
for the respondent.
Hearing for respondent number 2, my lord.
For respondent local, my lords.
Yes, same 28th IO. Next.
Number 18,
My lord, appearing for the petitioner in the matter.
Yes, madam.
Yes, my lord, already interim order has been granted. The same may kindly be extended. The matter was actually posted for notice on respond number 2. Apart from that, due to typographical error, the order states that the matter is to be tagged along with WP 6839 of 2025.
I know that's a writ petition. Yes, CAT. Yes.
No, my lord, but due to typographical error that has happened, it needs to be tagged along with criminal petition 6859.
Who gave this? You gave the number.
My lord?
You gave this number.
My lord, there's been some error from our part, I think.
So we will vacate the interim order.
My lord.
Tag this petition along with criminal petition 6839 of 2025 in place
6859. Criminal petition
6859 of 2025.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
28. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date. Yes, next.
number 19.
Lords, I appear for the petitioner in this matter, my lord. 364A, my lords had granted an interim order, my lords.
No, I have not granted an interim order.
Interim order not of stay, my lords, but of my lords, not to rowdy shit, my lords. Kindly have it on 28th, my lords. We'll argue.
28th.
Please.
I will extend it. Next.
Serial number 20, Dilraj.
No representation. List on 28th. Next.
Serial number 22, Bipin Hegde.
My lordship, I appear for petitioners in this matter, my lordship. My lordship, it's a matter pertaining to Lodha community, my lordship.
Oh, ಇದು ಬಾಕಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಒಂದೇನಾ?
These two matters, first two matters are pertaining to Lodha committee, my lord.
My lords, other matter, my lords, maybe D-tag, it's not.
Other matters?
My lords?
Dalwai, sir.
21, I think.
Yes, Dalwai.
Yes, madam. Yes.
ಅದೇನ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್.
Oh, yes, madam. Grateful. I have filed my counter also.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
My lord.
Serial number 21, my lord. There is an interim order, my lord.
Interim order will continue, sir, wherever it is. Yes. Yes, next. Idu will take it later. After that pronouncement, I'll take.
Please, my lordship.
28th, Haki madam.
Interim order to be continued.
Yes, interim order will continue.
Please, grateful.
Yes, next.
20?
20?
Jay Kumar Patil, 25.
24 ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Cell number 25.
ವರುಣ್ ಜಯಕುಮಾರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳೇದಿದೆ. List the matter on 28th. IO next.
Cell number 26.
For the respondent.
My lord, in this matter, I appear for respond number 6. My lord.
Yes, sir.
In this matter, I appear for respond number 5, my lord. My lord, there's another matter, my lord, may be clubbed along with this petition, my lord. Writ petition number 21842.
21842 of 2020?
Of 25. 25.
24. Yes.
There is no
petition along.
respondent.
Yes,
There are only 5
yes.
petitioners, Your Lord.
My lord, I appear
Next.
for. Okay.
Cell number 28. Satyananda.
The doctors list on 28th. Yes.
Cell number 29. Vaidyanathan.
For the respondent in this case.
I appear for the petitioner, Swami. I appear for the petition.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In respect of this, I wanted to attend physically, Swami. Due to my ill health, I could not able.
This is going on.
ಅಲ್ಲ
No problem.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಸರಿ. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ? ಆಯ್ತು, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 68 ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 68 lakhs ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
MLA ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ MLA. ಹೇಳಿ.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 8 ಚೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1,36,50,000 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 68 lakhs. ಆಮೇಲೆ he is claiming the interest at the rate of 2% per month amounts to 24% per annum. ಆಮೇಲೆ he has claimed 26,70,000 in previous balance amount, but he has filed amount for having received final amount. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ BPL ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದರ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಈಸ್ ಎ BPL ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Exhibit D2 Swami. Copy of the BPL card confronted. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ D3 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ದೇ ಫೈಲ್ ದಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕೇಸಸ್. ಅದು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರೇ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟು 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾನ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸ್. ಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಟು ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. CR331 ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. It is further alleged service after accused enlarged bail. Elections were declared in the year 2018 for Karnataka State Assembly, and since the accused was one of the aspirant contest assembly election from Mudgeri constituency, he came forward to settle the above criminal cases and agreed to pay 1 crore 40 lakhs ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆ 1 crore 40 lakhs ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ he has transferred the amount of 68 lakhs through ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಏನು ಥ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವ್ರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ. he has claimed again ನನಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್ 68 lakhs out of 1 crore 40 lakhs by way of 7 ಚೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೋನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎಲಾಬ್ರೇಟ್ ದಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅದರ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, 1 ತಿಂಗಳೇನೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಡಿನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ D1 ಅನ್ನ ತಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಮೆಮೊ in CC number 1582 of 2017 in the court of second additional civil judge and JMFC at Chikmagaluru Swami. The complainant and accused have settled the case outside the court. Therefore, in the interest of justice, it is prayed that the case be dismissed as settled out of court. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬಾಕಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 25 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. In respect of admissions by the complainant in cross examination Swami. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿದ 1,66,70,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು 2015ರಿಂದ 2017 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೊತ್ತವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂದಿನ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನಗದು ಹಣವನ್ನು ತಂದು ಆರೋಪಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾನು ಆರೋಪಿತನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಮಾನ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ 3 ದೂರುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ 3 ಚೆಕ್ಗಳ ಆರೋಪಿತನ ನನಗೆ 2016, 2017 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿನಾಂಕ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸ್ವತಃ ಆರೋಪಿ ಹಣ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾರಣ 3ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ 3 ಚೆಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆರೋಪಿ ನಮಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ 3 ಚೆಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಚೆಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 4/4/2018 ನಾನು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ದೂರನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಎಂದರೆ ಸರಿ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು 2 ದೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿ ದೂರುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಸರಿ. ಸದರಿ ಮೆಮೊಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು 25 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದರೆ ಸರಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಬಿಡಿ
ಲಾರ್ಡ್.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ,
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂಚೂರು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದ್ ಡೇಟ್
ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೇನೆ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಯ್ತು,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದಾಗಿ BPL ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ರು. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನರಬಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೂ
one minute. Manjunath Prasad, how did you lend money?
My lord, during the year 2016-17, accused borrowed a sum of rupees 1,66,70,000
all right
from the respondent.
Hen kotri,
and this is an admitted fact as could be seen from exhibit P16. ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಅದು ಬೈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಆಯ್ತು.
Exhibit P17, Exhibit P18, I have produced the bank statement.
Are you a BPL card holder?
My wife had taken it, but I have not admitted it. But we have cancelled it long back. That BPL card and ನಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it is an admitted fact. Exhibit P16 ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. Exhibit P16, the lordship may kindly see, the accused admitting the borrowal of 1,66,70,000. He has paid back 1,40 lakhs into the bank account of the complainant. That is
ನೀವು BPL ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 1.5 ಕೋಟಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಂದಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ನನ್ನ ವೈಫ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್. ಅವ್ರ ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್. Now kindly see, my lord, during the years 2016 and 17, they accused after having borrowed 1,66,70,000 from me. He has admitted that as per Exhibit P16. Therefore, the cases in CC number 1582 of 2017, CC number 1584 of 2017, and CC number 1585 of 2017, which were pending on the file of Second Additional Civil Judge and JMS Chikmagalur, came to be withdrawn. The accused had paid 1,40 lakhs back to the bank account of.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ 26,70,000 rupees ಬಾಕಿ ಇತ್ತು. In view of the during the pendency of these three cases.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ?
ಅವಾಗ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ 26,70,000 ಬಾಕಿ plus 68 lakh rupees again he borrowed it from 8/3/2018 to 16/3/2018 by way of banking financial transactions through banking channels. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್
68 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಂದ
68 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. It has been reflected for having sent back 1,40 lakhs to my account from the account of the accused. MLA Exhibit P17 I have produced. That is also a banking transaction. So the earlier amount of
transaction idange ideyalla ella
ಏನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದೆ.
ಯಾವುದು ಏನು ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. He was a well wisher. Anyhow, what was the stand of this lawmaker? The lordship may kindly appreciate, except taking a stand that these checks were stolen. Dharwad 4 only. He has not entered into the witness box. He has not rebutted the presumptions available to the complaint under section 118 and 113 of the NI Act. And both the courts, the trial court and the appellate court, have gone into the material aspects and based on the documents, documentary evidence. The judgment of conviction has been awarded, and your lordship is fully aware of the scope of revisional jurisdiction is very much limited. This is the recent judgment of the apex court. Takali, madam. Kindly can. And kindly come to paragraph 26, my lord. 27. 27 of the relevant paragraph I will give. This is the latest judgment.
I have seen this, yes.
It is well settled that in exercise of revisional jurisdiction, High Court does not, in the absence of perversity, except in the case of perversity, upset the concurrent findings of facts. This court also cannot reanalyze and reinterpret the evidence that has already been recorded.
Parties to file their written arguments and synopsis along with list of authorities in the next 1 week. Yes.
The one judgment of Karnataka High Court division bench also.
Written arguments synopsis. Next. Interim orders subsisting shall continue to the next day. Next.
Number 30, Manjunatha hai.
I am all these 8 cases. All these 8 cases. Take 1 minute. All these 8 cases, they are arising out of the same set of facts, and matters are not clubbed, but different judgments have been recorded already, and common evidence has been adopted.
Next.
I am for the respond 224, my lord.
List on 28.
Number 31, Mahindra ji.
28.
My lords, appearing for a petitioner, my lords, there is a, we have already submitted the representation to the Law Commission report, Law Commission of State of Karnataka, and also the last order dated that 4 weeks is directed to consider that representation, but till now they have not considered the representation. So kindly request to
the learned AGA to place on record as to what has become of the recommendation so made in terms of the which was captured in the order dated earlier order on the order dated so list on 28. Next.
Serial number 30, my lord. Interim order extended, my lord.
Order will continue.
Still number 32.
Macha.
Same 28.
Number 33.
Same 28.
May I please one?
34.
And for
33 is on 28, Mona?
33 on 28. I'll hear it there only, sir.
Very well, very well.
28, I'm giving date because it will be there.
Lord, any tentative date, my lord, likely to be.
Allah, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇದು?
Lord, what happened was the.
ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ.
Ready, my lord. I have on the same day now ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
I for 10 days, I am for
in so far as the second petition is concerned, it is not maintainable at all because the Honorable Supreme Court quashed their.
Your Lordships, I appear of the petitioner in the matter, Lordships. Lordships, I request a matter may be heard physically before the Bangalore bench, Your Lordships. There's some inconvenience today.
I have to come there and hear it, is it?
No, Lordships, on 28 it could be heard. Senior will come and make some.
My lords may physically hear the matter, Andra?
No, I'm not saying that. I told Your Lordships, I'm going to come and physically make submission. I told you.
That is okay.
Senior will make submission on physically on 28, Your Lordships.
Lordship may physically hear the matter. Yes, list the matter on 28.
Interim order to be extended.
Interim order will continue to the next date.
Number 35.
I appear for petitioner's counsel.
I'm sorry, Your Lordships. I did not mean it, Your Lordships.
All right. Yes.
35. I appear for petitioner's counsel, my lord.
Arun Sham, sir.
Yes, my lord. This matter, my lord. This is, my lord, heard for some time. This matter, my lord. Only, my lord, the effigies of the public personalities, my lord, has been burned.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
Please, my lord. Entry model ಇದೆ.
28. I learned senior counsel Arun Shyam, 28. Yes.
Entry model may be extended.
Entry model.
36.
Murugesh, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
But request for some more time. 28.
ಇದು ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. That complex.
That is Sadashinagar complex, which your lordship have
ಇಲ್ಲ
reserved.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್.
This is Koramangala and,
Sadashinagar stands on a different footing, my lord. This is our real Indiranagar. This is Indiranagar, my lord.
Indiranagar and Koramangala, both are there, 36 and 36.1.
I was waiting for senior. Yes. Yes.
Have it on 28. There.
28 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಾ?
Your lordship have already asked us.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
Records are also.
Take it in Bangalore. Yes.
Check your records.
28, 2:30 p.m. ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಇವ್ರ ಲಾತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ರಮೇಶ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಅದು?
Section 15 of Karnataka Societies Registration Act, my lord. Civil suit is they can remedy is available to
election petition ತಾನೆ?
No, my lord.
Election ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದಾ?
It's not a they are challenging the resolution.
Society under
resolution. What resolution?
Against the bylaws, the 16 members of the society elected the respondent number 3 as the president of the society. The total as per bylaw there must be 25 members should be in the general body meeting.
Subject matter of elections.
It is registered on the cooperative society, not cooperative.
Cooperative ಬೇಡ sir. Civil suit ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
Civil suit 15.
No sir. I will not enter into nuances of election here.
But against the bylaws, my lord.
No sir. Anything. I have myself held so. Sara Govindu judgment ಇದೆ ನಂದೆಲ್ಲಿ? ನನ್ನ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ.
I have not seen.
You have not seen, sir. I have seen.
But on the basis of the Annex D, they are conducting meeting, special general body meeting on Monday, my lord, to celebrate the 50 years of celebration of education society.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Selection is itself is against the bylaws and also the projects of the there is no any notice issued to the present petitioners because they are the members of the society.
Calls in question a resolution passed by the second respondent secretary electing third respondent as president of the Nehru Malenadu Rural Education Society. Therefore, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the election of the said president is contrary to the bylaw of the association. Since the issue touches upon the election of the president and alleged malpractice during the election, the writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India would not be entertainable. This court, in identical circumstance in the case of Sara Govindu versus State of Karnataka, has held as follows. In the light of the aforesaid circumstance of the election of the society, it is open for the petitioner to avail of such remedy as available in law, which the learned available in law, i.e. filing of a civil suit against the said election. If the aforesaid observation reserving the said liberty, the petition stands disposed. Yes, please.
Number 1.
1. I put dictation ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೌರಭ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಅದೊಂದು 85 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಿನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಅದೇನೋ
kindly peruse the prayer, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ.
I will argue.
Will argue.
No, it is not simple mandamus. It is 340, my lord.
No, what is prayer is mandamus.
To conclude the proceedings on ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಬೇಡವಾ ಅದು?
Not concluding, that's what, my lord. Kindly, I will make 2 submissions.
1 minute. Mandamus directing the principal dispose IF 7 filed under so and so. And your prayer is this. I will grant that prayer.
No, why? Because, my lord,
why ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಲಿ? You have sought this prayer.
Yes. Not asked for 6 months, my lord. Why? Because
ಬೇಡ 6 months ಏನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. IA ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
the procedure adopted, kindly see.
Your prayer is to dispose the IA.
Dispose the IA.
I'll direct disposal of the IA immediately.
But how they are disposing, I will.
How
send.
gottilla? How you should come after that?
Lord, while giving interim order also, my
Sir,
lord,
that's not the, see, once you seek certain prayer, stick to that prayer. Don't enlarge the scope of the prayer.
No.
How they do it, you can always come back if it is wrong.
it is the second time only.
The third time also come. Yen madakagutte?
Lord, what it can be said is, in accordance with section 340, my lord.
In accordance with law.
In accordance
I will
with
not say. Your prayer is this.
Yes. Why? Because, my lord, one submission, last submission, my lord. Why? Because trial court is taking inquiry on that IA. It is impermissible by virtue of.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸೌರಭ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದು 6 months ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಿ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಾ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಐಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
As per prayer, my lord, I submit. Please.
ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಇರ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ, ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ. serial number 12 ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, one submission, my lord, serial number 11, login technical issue, could not log in, my lord.
Technical issue, I have extended the interim orders.
My lord, there is no interim order, my lordship, it is.
It is also extended. There is no interim order, the other extend agide. Wait, now don't disturb.
Please, please.
The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. Heard the learned counsel Shivaprasad Shantan Gowder appearing for the petitioner and the respondent. Facts that relate to the genesis of the company need not bear consideration in the case at hand. A preliminary notification comes to be issued by the Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Board, hereinafter referred to as the board for short, by issuing a notification under section 28(1) of the KIDB Act. In terms of, in furtherance of the said notification, on 24/2/2022, another notice comes to be issued on 28/2 inviting objections from the hands of the stakeholders. A notification then is issued under section 28(3) for acquisition of the lands as mentioned in the petition. It transpires that after the notification issued on 28(3), conversion orders are passed in survey numbers 136 and 137 of conversion of non-agricultural land conversion of agriculture into non-agricultural purposes by the Deputy Commissioner. All other statutory clearances is sought is the averment in the petition. On 9/7/2024, a final notification comes to be issued excluding survey numbers 118, 136 and 137 from the process of acquisition, which was initiated by issuance of a preliminary notification on 18/2/2022. The pursuant long after the issuance of the final notification, it transpires that a fresh notice was issued under section 28(2), calling for objections from the hands of the petitioner and others, contrary to the earlier issued notifications. The fresh notice so issued under section 28(2) is what drives the petitioner to this court in the subject petition. The learned counsel Shivaprasad Shantan Gowda submits that the once having passed an order on 28(4) dropping certain survey numbers from the acquisition, it was not opened again to issue a notice under section 28(2), but the process altogether had to be initiated under section 28(1) by issuance of a fresh notification of acquisition. The learned counsel would also project several other grounds that the industry is existing and therefore it was appropriately dropped from acquisition. The learned counsel Basavaraj Shabrad, learned senior counsel Basavaraj Shabrad appearing for the respondent board places on record an affidavit indicating that they are going to withdraw the notice issued under section 28(2) of the Act all over again to the petitioners, observing that it was a mistake on the part of the board to have issued the 28(2) notice to them. The affidavit so filed reads as follows. The learned senior counsel Prabhulinga Navadgi, representing the impleading applicants, would submit that in the light of the affidavit, in the light of the affidavit so filed by the board, nothing further would survive for consideration in the case at hand. The petition is rendered infructuous. It should be disposed as having become infructuous, leaving open all the remedies available in law to all the parties to be availed of. The learned, in the light of the aforesaid circumstance of the filing of the affidavit, it transpires that the petitioners, the respondent, Pradeep Singh our order
Proposed response.
Sir. Proposed respondent. Huh?
Yes. Now
the proposed respondent had approached this court in. Do I get that order, sir? WP number.
Along with affidavit, page number 11.
Affidavit jite hakidira.
Yes. Along with our affidavit, page number 11. R1.
Had approached this court in. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೋ impleading applicant ಬಂದಿದ್ದ
impleading applicant.
The impleading applicant had approached this court in writ petition 105027 of 2023. The writ petition comes to be disposed after hearing the parties by the following order. Well, para 4 till the end. It is pursuant to the said order, the final notification was issued on 25/7. Sorry, dropping yavaga.
I am sorry to intervene, Lord. According to the board also, Lord, pursuant to the order of the learned single judge, Lord, there was no communication. Therefore, Lord, a final notification came to be issued. The question still is at large before the state government.
We'll see. I will not get into all that. Affidavit I have quoted.
Please.
Yes.
Yes.
The final the final notification is said to have come about pursuant to the order passed by the coordinate bench, which the learned senior counsel Prabhulinga Navadgi submits that it is owing to a communication gap. The submission, be those submissions as they are, in the light of the affidavit so filed by the board, which wherein at paragraph 13 it is clearly indicated that the notice, impugned notice, would be withdrawn as it was by mistake issued invoking section 28(2) of the Act. The grievance of the petitioner would no longer survive. Therefore, leaving open to the parties of all the remedies available in law, and observing that the order of Pradeep Singh Sahib, order of the coordinate bench
105027.
Order of the coordinate bench would continue. I deem it appropriate to dispose these petitions. Dispose these petitions as reserving liberty as observed herein above. Ordered accordingly.
Grateful.
Yes.
Number 83, Shinan Pachapure.
In this, the petitioner is demoted from the post of grade D, Your Lordship. Earlier, Your Lordship, petitioner was appointed as an assistant in the respondent number 1 education committee, Your Lordship.
was appointed as a assistant helper in the respond number 1 education society, Your Lordship. After that, referring an order at annexure E, Your Lordship, which was published by the government of Karnataka, has demoted to the post of peon, Your Lordship.
Peon?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You joined as what?
As assistant helper, Your Lordship.
Peon is less than that?
Yes, Your Lordship.
How can you be demoted?
It is at annexure E, Your Lordship. Page 20. There's a stipulation regarding, Lordship, in this.
Who appears? Bhaskar L. Patil. Who is he? ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, Lordship. Even I don't.
Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. 83 ತಾನೇ ಇದೆ madam. 83. Srinath.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. There is no representation on behalf of the respondents 1 and 2. Awaiting their appearance, list the matter on Tuesday in fresh matters list.
Please, Lordship.
I'll close it on that.
That's our pleasure.
Number 94.
Again, citation.
Covered. ಯಾವುದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
Essential command.
ಅಂದ ಇದಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಇದು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Both the learned counsel appearing with the petition, the respondent would submit the issue in the list and answered by. Yes.
Please. Bless.
ಗಂಭೀರ್ ಅವರು ಇದಾರ? ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. 4:45 ವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಅದು ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಒಂದು 10 ಸಾರಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು, ಈಗ 11ನೇ ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅದು ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡು.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಡಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡು.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಡ.
ಅದು ಮೈ ಕಲೀಗ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ದೊಳಗೆ EF ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಅಲೌ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಈಗ EF ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ F ಆರ್ಡರ್ದಾಗ ಅವ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ? ಮೇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸಾರಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ 3 ಮಲ್ಲಾಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಮೇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ರಿವೋಕೇಶನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಈಗ ಇವು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಸೈಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಇದು 107 ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಐ ಮೇ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಲ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹಿಮ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಡಿಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಡಿಲೇ ಕಂಡು.
The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. This court ಇದನ್ನ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that a comprehensive order will have to be passed as amendment applications have been allowed subsequent to the disposal of the petition, whereby the challenge is permitted to annexures.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ಅಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ.
ಅದು ಅಲೋ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲೋ ಆಗಿ.
So and so, and therefore the order dated so and so stands recalled. The petition stands disposed. ಬೇರೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ.
ಈಗ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಂಡೇ
ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು, ಅದೇ ತರದ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಡಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅದೇನೇನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು.
ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ
ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿ.
ಇವು ಎರಡು EF ಸೆಟ್ ಅಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಸಾರಿ ಐ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಲಾಟ್.
ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? ನಾ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು. ಎಸ್ ಮುಜಾಸಿಮ್.
My lord, serial number 11, my lord, this honorable court last date of hearing directed the police to defreeze the amount in favor of petitioner, my lordship. That was passed, my lord. 3 banks have passed, my lord, given money, my lord. 2 banks are interpreting the orders, my lord.
They 14 lakhs.
ಹೌದು my lord. 2
ಆಯ್ತು
banks,
ನೋಡಿ.
please.
ಅದು ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
Please.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಲೆನೆಂಟ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಲೆನೆಂಟ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ 6
ಅದು ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ.
Incorporate challenge to an annexure in the prayer. In the light of the application so filed, the permission so sought is granted.
ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊಸ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು
ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ನ. ಕಾಂಪ್ರಹೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಪೀಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. ದಟ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅದು. ರೈಟ್. Land Council for the petitioner seeks leave of this court to withdraw the petition, reserving liberty to the petitioner to file a fresh petition on the same cause of action. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ?
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮಲ್ಲ.
Disposed as withdrawn, reserving such liberty to file a fresh petition.
Please malla. Macho.
Macho.
Macho.